designation string, but there is no condition that your bucketing condition column should not be in schema. There is nothing like that. For partitioning alone, the column should be separately partitioned by I should give. It should not be in schema. For bucketing, it's not like that. So designation salary, I'll give partitioned by, I want to do both together, okay? Partitioned by department, clustered by means bucketed by. There is no bucketed keyword, we have clustered. Clustered by designation into 6 buckets. Okay? Now, insert, override. By default, bucketing also disabled. You have to enable it. So set high dot execute dot enforce dot bucketing is equal to true. You have to give this property. Now insert override. I am loading the data into this table. Insert override table. What is my table name? Bucketing. Partition of department, and the original data I am taking it from base table. So that table data, whatever I am selecting star from Welltech High, that should be partitioned and that should be clustered into buckets also. Set high dot execute dot dynamic partition. Again I have to set high dot execute dot dynamic dot partition is equal to true. I opened a new tab now. When you open a new tab, you have to set the properties again. Because old tab, if they have reached the last line already, right? For you, it's not visible. That's why I opened a new tab. Whenever I open a new tab, I have to give the properties again. Now it will run the job. It will run the MapReduce job. Okay, now done. Shall we see whether it got partition and bucketing both are done or not? Go to browser. Go back. Now Welltech bucketing. I have partitions are done. Getting into department. Oh, bucketing I haven't done because might be the property hasn't set properly. Set the high dot enforce dot bucketing is equal to true. Set the high dot execute I should not give. High dot enforce dot bucketing is equal to true. This property is not set, that's why bucketing got haven't executed. I will insert override, right? The whole data will be deleted again, it will be overwritten. G. ఒకవేళ మీరు బయటకి వెళ్తే చెప్పండి సార్కి 12:40కి లంచ్ కొలుగుతాను. 21 అని చెప్పాను, 20 నిమిషాల ముందే వస్తుంది. I'm like when we people are starving or very hungry, our brains can't work. When you are satisfied with food, then only you can again work hard. Eat well, work hard. Correct? Who asked you? I am asking that way. Correct? That guy is my darling. That last one. He looks very innocent. Evening at 3:30 before I leave, just come close to me, I'll give you a hug. One second. Now, let's get into this. Excuse me. Now, Vertex bucketing. I have partitions. 3 partitions are there based on the departments. Inside that, you can see how many buckets are there. And designations, based on designation, I have, if you go to my input file, I have 6 designations there. Check here, admin, sales, tech, engineer, manager and CEO. Depending on designations, I have given 6 buckets. And then all admin details of department A will go to one file. All admin details of department B will go to second folder, first file. Based on the designation, based on the department, I have categorized the data. Next time when I run the query, depending on the query, it will scan only that particular file. It will save a lot of time for me when processing big data. Got it? SQL approach is already there, but I am using it in a framework, making it much more simpler to the developer so that he can process the big data at very faster pace. Nothing new that you learned, but only some syntactical rules. You should create, first thing is, you should always put your input file into HDFS. When you are processing the data using Hive, you should create a table matching the schema with your input file, load the data into table, and then run the query. 4 steps you have to follow. To load the data, you have load data in path. Correct? And queries are same syntax. Creating table, you should give extra word like row format, delimited, fields terminated by, you should give the delimiter, not only comma. If your input file has some other delimiter between fields. In this file I have comma as delimiter. If I have other delimiter, you should give that delimiter when you are creating the table. Fields are terminated by pipe symbol or tab or whatever it may be. You should understand your input file first and create the schema accordingly. Clear? And even in Hive, you have different concepts like joins you have. You have, like DML statements like how to drop, update. Update it won't work here until and unless it's a transactional table. There are other SQL topics are there. I'm not going to touch them. The reason is you people are already aware of SQL. But to start processing with Hive, you should know some rules like first the data should be there in HDFS, then you should create a table, load the data, then you can run the queries. And building queries, what is select a command, what is insert command, I don't want to waste my time on it. Everything it is already there in your SQL. But these things you are not aware, you should know it. How to run a query, how to fetch the data, that and all you are already aware. So that's why partitioning and bucketing is a new topic, that's why I touched. Joins, joining 2 tables, the concept is already there, so you can run it. You can do that by yourself. Okay, now we will get into the next topic, my favorite animal called as pig. I never scold my friend or a roommate or especially my computer. My laptop or my office machine, I never scold that particular machine or object, okay, with some bad words or any words. I just scold them only by saying pig. If my machine got stuck, immediately I'll say, pig come. What are you doing? It will come, seriously. It will come. Even if my roommate, okay, I'll go get into the room, I'll say, okay, that stupid pig, Sindhi, he didn't message me the movie ticket. And he said that directly he'll come to the. If he come late, they have to wait there. Then I'll message him, pig Sindhi, please send it. Picky is the most common used word by me. That's why last few months back, even for my birthday cake cutting, my office colleagues have written on the cake like, okay, happy birthday, Pig Shrika. How beautiful, like when we pronounce that word, especially in Telugu, when you say Pandi. Say how sweet it is. In Tamil it is Pandi, right? So sweet, right? Have you tasted it? I'm just kidding, okay? Don't take it to heart. Indian pigs are not that great. But in foreign countries, you will be having well-formed poultry like pigs, okay? They are called as bacons. Okay, bacons are very good and they are very healthy as well. Than chicken and mutton, okay, bacons are very demand. Okay? But here, pigs are not actually formed. The poultry is not good here. So that's why you don't get into this kind of, then take some health issues and all, okay? Don't take Indian pig. But whenever you travel to some foreign countries, order bacon and taste it. I'm pretty much sure you'll definitely vomit it. It's not tasty. I tried once and I got vomited immediately. But English people like it very much. Okay? The reason I like pig very much is, I'll tell you. I told you this example, and the reason that why I love this pig very much is because rather than high MapReduce or any other ecosystem, pig is the simplest and small ecosystem to learn in Hadoop. Very, very simple. And very simple to learn. I will definitely, I'm sure that you people also love pig here. And you'll call your friends, your parents, everyone will say. My friend, she called her mom like, okay, very sweetly she called, Pig Mummy, come, I'm waiting, I'm starving. Just all with love, not with heart. Anything you do with love, okay, it's not going to be serious. Intentionally, if you hurt someone, then if I don't like this girl, if I scold her like you pig, she'll cry. But if her dad calls her like, okay, if her name is Soumya, Pig Soumya, please come here. She don't take it into heart, right? It all depends on how we take it. Correct? Now, I told you that for Hive I prepared a document. Can we look into that? So that, okay, some of you people who have not written those commands in your book can feel a bit stable and comfortable. Okay, nothing I missed, because at least by going through this document, you can execute the queries by yourself. Can I show you that? I prepared it for you. All these documents I have made. I'll take the department mail ID and I'll mail it. For external college participants, one guy have given me their mail ID to me. Only one guy. How many colleges external participants are there? Same college? Okay. You give me your email ID and yours you already given. The rest of Welltech, please leave it. They for anyhow like I'll be giving it to your HOD or you are like I'll be taking the group ID. That's different. For different people I'm asking, because for them it's very difficult, right? If the communication breaks between your HOD and them, that's it, they will. Okay? Otherwise, rather than taking all your email IDs, you do one thing, take my email ID and drop me a mail. Welltech people, if you drop me a mail, I'll kill you. For documents. For queries, you can drop me a mail. For documents, you don't drop. Because 60 people, 60 mails, I am dying. Already one of the students from Acharya Nagarjuna University, she mailed me around 14 days back. I am yet to reply her mail. Some high query she asked, but I don't get time to look into that issue. Some other students from their college have asked me some suggestions. Immediately I replied. But the day when she made, okay, from that day till today, okay, I don't have time. It's not a normal question. She asked me 3 scenarios where I have to try the program and then give it. It will take at least 3-4 hours. I have to sit down that and then work. I don't have that. I will look into. I told her like I will look into that and then I'll get back probably next weekend. This weekend also. Today night I might be traveling to Trichy. Trichy, goddess Samaypuram Amma. I believe in her very much. Who are from Trichy here? No one? Bad. Everyone is bad. There is a temple in Trichy called as Samaypuram, goddess, okay? Just go and watch the temple. Any wish you have, it will be done. Seriously. But only religion. Practice like don't kill her. I was telling you, especially in Samaypuram, when I was doing my masters in Anna University, Chennai, one of my Tamil friends have told like, okay, about the temple and all. I didn't believe it initially, and she asked me to follow some process. Outside the temple, they will be selling like, okay, one small goddess idol, some small, just like a steel plate, small, very thin, and eyes. 2 eyes of goddess. For 50 rupees or something they will sell. And they will also sell the rock salt, crystal salt. So 10 rupees packet. Purchase these 2. While you are getting into the queue, you will be having big hundis. For salt, you have a separate hundi, and for this, to put this cum and all, like you have a separate hundi. Put these cum, everything, and then ideal into that hundi, and then open that salt into that, and then add your wish in any heart. You should ask only one wish, and that wish should be only about you. Not about your mom, or your father, or your girlfriend, or anything. It should be only about you, and only one wish should be made. And then get into the temple, pray to God, wish the same again. It will definitely happen. And once that happens, tell to God that once it is happened, definitely I will come and I will visit you. It will happen. It happened for me 5 times. 5 times it happened. Last week I got US visa also. Initially I got a university ranking, I needed in Anna University. I got it 87%. I need international journal have to be published as a student itself. I did it. I don't want placement headache. I want to get placed in the starting 3 companies of campus drives. I got placed in TCS for my first attempt itself. And then I want an on-site. I have traveled to London and then stayed there for 1 year. I want one more on-site. Now luckily I got US visa. I don't know whether I will travel or not. But God did whatever that I have requested. So I want to go and then thank her again. Same way, there is one more temple called as Chilkur Balaji in Hyderabad, very famous for visas. And ask for go to Trichy and then go to Chatram bus stop. From there you can ask for Samaypuram goddess, Samaypuram temple. They will take you to goddess. I took my roommate 4 months back. He is struggling to get a job for 4.5 years. 4.5 years. I took him. He got a job. Last year I took him. Now he is good. He is working as a lead in the same company. He put all fake documents, but no background verification. He got caught because earlier 3 companies he got caught. He lose the job. This time God is powerful. He worked. He even called me last week. He said thanks to me. I'm fine. Some things, okay, you are talented. Sometimes, okay, God's blessings also is very much required for us to help. The luck should come into factor, right? So please do believe in. Some people will be there who don't believe. Okay. Got it? All these are employee skills. You should have all these skills when you get, if you want to survive well in your companies. Got it? People who move closely with managers, so don't only they are not only the people who get good rating, people who possess more skills, but some people have skills but they won't exhibit it. They will always sit in the computer, when the requirement comes they will do it and then they will go. Just doing their own duty is not going to help much. I got some input and I produced the expected output. No. You should gain domain knowledge. In which domain? You got so and so file, what is that file is all about? You produce some output, that output is going to which other component? In your project it may be a 1000 component or 300, 400 component architecture. Each component is a separate team. Some components are with TCS, some components are with Infosys, some components. In an overall architecture, when component A produce some data and send XML file to component B. Component B has some code, they will do some processing and generate the result into some other component. Your team gets input from someone and produce output to someone else. What is the overall objective of the client? What kind of work you are doing? What kind of business that your service is going to provide to the customer, end customer? Domain knowledge is very much important. You are working in a telecom domain, banking, insurance, retail, manufacturing, or you have a health department. You might be working in a different projects. Every project will be under some. If you say your project, your client name is Citibank, it is banking domain. If I say that okay, my client is AIG, American Insurance Group, it's an insurance domain. Correct? So, you know, like all these are domains. You should also, along with your technical knowledge, you should also gain domain knowledge. Domain knowledge helps us to understand the customer requirements first. If someone comes to me, Shrikant, I want like, okay, customer who has an insurance policy with our company, okay, can opt for, like people who have already taken the house loan, cannot take the personal loan. I want to put this condition. What is this house loan? What is this personal loan? I don't understand your insurance terminology. Just tell me which field you want to process, what is the file path, and what should I get into the, what should I produce the output. Give me only technical requirement. That won't help. That won't help. You should have business knowledge also, domain knowledge. Slowly you will understand it. When you get into a project, the terminology, what they use, the words, the keywords, everything, whatever they use in the project, you should understand it. You should learn it. Okay, policy means is this one, and every policy has these key attributes. In using these attributes only, clients used to communicate. In the client call, they will say that okay, identify the XID for the policy number so and so is being deprecated, and for this XID we have a policies of pre-set. What is this XID? What does that XID is all important about? If you attend a call, no one is there to teach you ABC. When you are there in the client call, okay, you should know the alphabets already. They will be writing sentences. You should be prepared to read the sentences, not to learn alphabets and join the call. And you cannot ask the client, okay, please hold on, can you tell me what is XID? Stupid, you get out of the call first. Don't waste my time. Then they will blast your manager. Without having proper knowledge, why did you ask your person to come and join the call? Technical knowledge is not only going to help you, you should have domain knowledge. Any project you are working, you should gain the knowledge. Understand the business. Don't concentrate only on your requirements. You produce output, your job is done. No, not done. Okay? High level, when you speak with the customers, especially with the stakeholders, means clients, when they will say the requirements only in the business language. So you should have a good domain understanding, domain knowledge, then only you can understand what the requirement is all about. Miscommunication, requirement understanding can lead to a wrong project delivery. Then your company have to pay the fine. Your project is of worth 200 crores and you produce a wrong quality product. The fine will be at least 500 crores. You know that? Seriously. Whatever that, you know, like people will be sacked. They will ask you to leave the company, wrong project delivery, pressure will be there. Don't think that as soon as you got the job you are fine, you are settled. Every day is a learning. Every day is a learning. Security is very, very important. Learning is important. Domain knowledge is important. That's why I told you, every hour in my session is a movie. I'll direct every kind of movie. I like devotional movies, I'll direct mass movies, I'll direct comedy movies also. I will touch every sector. I told you yesterday morning, I'll touch every sector and I'll teach you everything. The reason why I'm spending this time with you people, wasting all my energy, is you don't know about it. And there is a gap in my understanding and your understanding. I'm trying to fill those gaps. And when you are listen to all these things, okay, you will take necessary measures how to react accordingly in future in those particular sectors. Correct? That will definitely help for you people to streamline your career. That's what I want. The end objective for me is I want to see every one of you got settled very. That's why sometime I will teach one topic and I'll jump into the other career aspective things and again I'll come back. Got it? Good. So that's why when I'm training faculties or FDP or research scholars in the real time, I'll ask for Hadoop only 1 day session. But when I'm spending my time with the students, I'll request for 2 days. Because students, a lot of grooming is required. Might be the other speaker who came ahead of me have not covered this. Or might be they covered it, but you might have not shown interest in listening to it. More faculties in your college know more information than me. Because I also learned many information from my faculties. But always as a student, common mentality is they never listen to what their faculty says, except 10%. But when an industry expert comes and then says something, you lend your ears very much. Please lend your ears to your faculties also. From their experience, lot of good information they are trying to share it with you. If you concentrate and listen to what they are saying, why they are saying, because they crossed them. They already have seen those stages and they don't want you people to face those challenges. Okay? So don't think that only industry experts know more and then not like that. We also learn from them. Your faculties are very much experienced. Any doubt you have, approach them. Nothing resolved, drop me a mail. Okay, I'll try to help you out with your queries. Clear? We go for lunch. Once we come back.
Thank you.
One second. Right. Right, okay.
Mr. J. Satish Kumar. Harita, Miss Harita Jayasuriya. No. Manoj. Shweta Pani. Shweta Pani. Mr. Balaji. Mr. Muhammad Sabir.
I didn't see your face. Where are you sitting?
Mr. Sabir. Mr. Magesh. Mr. Magesh.
Okay, thank you, sir.